Alright, so this is kind of I thought this would be a fun little video. So this gets a little confusing with gas. This is a stove. So this is 1/2 inch, this is 3/4, and this is specifically, this fitting is for flex hoses. So for whatever reason, this is 3/4, this is 1/2 inch. So this goes in like that. And then what's peculiar is the other side is 1/2 inch, but this side's 3/4. This is 3/4, and we need to replace this old ass. That's no longer good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unthread this, and then we will reduce. Put a shut up. This is for the water here. We were trying to figure out what goes with what. Jeez Louise. But you get what I'm saying. All right, here we go. All right, there you go. I mean, this thing was super long, so it's 3/4. It's probably 5 or 6 inch nipple. You have a reducer. Can't use bushings. 1/2 inch, probably 4 inch nipple. Gas. And then this is the little, why did I say gas? Gas shut off. And then this is the 1/2 inch by 3/4 flared. And then we put this guy on. Here's a little pipe dupe. People will say, some people will say you don't have to do this, but you do it your way, I'll do it mine. And I like to put a little bit on there. And that will eventually stop. You don't have to wrench that because the flare is what really makes the seal. And then got this guy right here. Put a little Teflon and pipe deep, and yep. But it was funny. All right, there you go. You got a little Teflon and pipe deep. Let's put a little pipe deep on there. There you go. A little pipe deep. And then your boy Carlos will thread that on there. Pull that sucker back. There you go. Just a little bit of pipe deep. Not too much, just a little.
So you said you can tighten it too much, huh?
No, it'll stop. You'll feel it stop, and then I usually just snug it up once after that. And you take the channies. I take the channies and just do one little snuggy tug. Like that. And that's about it. Now, you got a lighter? There you go. And check see if there's any leaks with the lighter.
What would happen? Just light up.
You know who taught me this? Craig taught me this, yeah. I mean, there's not much to teach. He's just like, I said, Craig, can you check the gas? And he's like, oh, yeah, sure. And he took out his lighter, his crack pipe lighter. But if there was a gas leak, it would ignite the flame a little bit.
Nothing crazy.
Nah. Nothing more than you know when you're trying to light your things and they won't light, and you do that and you light them and it's like it would just be like that. Nothing crazy. Yeah, it's all good. It's all good. All right, so that's it. And lastly, this is one I had on my truck. That 3/4 by 1/2 inch one that we just installed, that came with the stove. So I just wanted to make this little last aside because I can already hear the comments. Oh, you can't reduce 3/4 to 1/2 inch. Can't do that. Can't do that. Well, I don't disagree with you, but that's what came with the stove, fella. So, yeah.